Sustainable living has to be easy and the most natural choice. And IKEA wants to inspire and enable people to live a more healthy and sustainable life. Becoming circular means meeting people's changing lifestyles, prolonging the life of products and materials, and using resources in a smarter way. And this means that we will from the very beginning design all of our products to be repurposed, repaired, reused, resold, and eventually recycled. It's not only about the functions of the products, it's also about using materials from more sustainable sources, such as cotton and wood. It's also about developing more healthy food offers, for example, more plant-based food. We are developing new products. We're working with the startup Altered to develop the water nozzle that fits onto existing taps and enables you to wash hands and at the same time reduce the water use with over 90%. We're also working on textiles and other devices that can help you clean the air in the home, and products to enable people to cultivate vegetables at home. I just came from a youth summit in Åland, where young people met between the age of 15 and 30, discussing how we can make sustainable consumption the new norm. We want all our co-workers to be engaged and be empowered to share their knowledge about life at home and inspire and enable people around them to live a more sustainable life. We need to work together to solve these big global challenges, and everyone can contribute.